Sorry. Yes, I'm licking my fingers. It's just so good. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview, and I have another one for you guys today. I'm gonna make 3 different kind of sliders for you guys. They're all gonna have plantains instead of the bread, so they're all gonna be seasoned with this barrel rub that my good friend Barbecue Pit Dog sent over to me. So I am going to dedicate this video to him. You guys check him out. It's Barbecue Pit Dog. So this is what he sent me, and I am going to season all 3 burgers with this fabulous seasoning. He also sent me guava barbecue sauce. Check it out. I'm so excited that he sent me one, and I appreciate it. I'm gonna use this bad boy on one of my sliders here. So burger number 1 is gonna have the guava barbecue sauce on there. I'm actually gonna name that slider Barbecue Pit Dog slider. My second one is going to be my Miami style slider, which I made when I'm going to show you guys this avocado, habanero peppers, garlic. Oh, it's so good, and I'll show you guys how I made that. And last but not least, my third slider is going to have a mango peach salsa on top. So guys, I'm super excited. First, because it's Beyond Meat burgers. You know how I love it. So, and these little guys, I'm excited to try them. Let's get to it. Before I do, I want to welcome all my new viewers out there. Thank you and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to show me some love. And now, let's slide into this. Get it? Sliders? Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I have plantains here. I'm going to show you real quick what I did here. You just chop the ends off. Slice them down the sides. Now don't do exactly what I'm doing here. Just use a smaller knife. Slide down the sides here and be careful you don't cut your fingers. And then this way it makes it easier to peel that peel off. So see how it's just coming right off there? Okay, and then once you have them all peeled, slice them 1.5 inches thick, sliced at an angle there, because this way when we go smash them, like they'll smash evenly. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. And we are gonna fry these bad boys. Okay guys, so here we go. We're throwing them in. Be careful there. Slide them right in there. I've used three plantains I cut. We're not letting them get golden brown because we have to smash them and throw them back in. So you see, they're already good to go here. We're gonna take them right out. And now I'll show you guys the second step here of smashing them. Okay, foodie friends, so after frying them for a few seconds there, get your wax paper. Place like 3 at a time there. Put your wax paper over your bananas. Get yourself a cup, and let's get to smush it. Just squeezed out, just like that. And I wouldn't, some people just bang the crap out of them, but I'm trying to keep that hamburger circular shape. So that's why I'm just squeezing down gently. Okay, there we have it. Our little circles here. Our little plantain buns. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to season them with garlic, salt, pepper, salt, and some pepper on both sides. And then we're gonna throw them back in the fryer for just a few more seconds so they can hold their shape. And then we're ready to go. Okay, so BRB. All right guys, now we are ready for the final frying after the smashing. So let's go. Okay, foodie friends, so we have our little cutie patooties here, and we're just gonna season them. So I'm gonna throw just a little bit of olive oil on there so that rub can really stick. Pit barrel seasoning on here from my good friend Barbecue Pit Dog. Okay, so once you have your patties all nice and rubbed up and ready to go, let's get our pan ready. If you soak your onions in ice cold water, it'll take away that bitterness, that bite of an onion. So I just let that sit for a little bit. And let's slide these bad boys right in. Here we go. So let's get these guys nice and brown, a couple minutes on each side, and we're good to go. And I'm gonna show you guys how to assemble this Caribbean style sliders. So be right back. Okay, foodie friends, so let's look at these cuties. I added a little bit of Daiya cheese, the provolone one. Look at them, how cute they look. And these are our little buns. See how they look? So I already seasoned them with salt, pepper, and garlic. So let's get to assembling. We're gonna do the Miami ones first. So guys, what I did with this one here, I'll show you real quick. I used 2 avocados, cilantro, 3 garlic cloves, apple cider vinegar, some water, and some agave syrup and salt and pepper. So that's what's in here. And look how, it looks like a little, like a pesto almost. And let's add this deliciousness to our plantain bun. And just like that. Ooh, baby, baby. Let's throw this bad boy right on top. Place our burger. Don't forget to add those onions. Look how cute, super cute. And I forgot to mention, guys, for that avocado sauce, I also added poblano peppers. 1 whole poblano pepper. Forgot to say that earlier. So there we go, nice and cute. So that's our Miami style one. Now let's do the barbecue pit dogs. All I did was I just added some vegan mayo here and I added some garlic. That's all, nothing fancy. So I'm gonna add that here. Let's add our burger, the guava barbecue sauce. Let's add a pico for good luck and some more onions right there. And I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit more of that barbecue sauce on top there. There we go. That's our barbecue pit dog slider. Look at him. Okay, so now our last one, we're going to make our mango peach salsa one. So again, I'm going to use my garlicky spread here. Okay, so we're just gonna add this little mango salsa here. Just like so. Just an onion, because I love onions. Right there. Spinach leaves, because I love spinach. I'm not a fan of lettuce. I just think this is just pretty the way it is. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Look how cute they came out. So delicious looking. First time making this using plantains as the buns for these burgers. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into them. Enough talking. And now we eat. Okay, and I hope you like this burger I dedicated to you. So this one here is the barbecue one with the guava. Let's take a bite. OMG. That mango barbecue is just so tasty, so flavorful, sweet. You get the little sweet and the little spice, and then the garlic just pops all the flavors together here. And this rub is just to die for. Rob, thank you so much for it. I'm just gonna take another bite. A little messy, but you know what? Food is usually good when it's messy. This is delicious. Okay, let's get our next one here. Miami style one. Here we go with my avocado and poblano. Look at that right there. Ooh. A bite of this one. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So fresh, like that the cilantro and the avocado and the poblano peppers in there add just a little bit of a kick. It's so flavorful. And that seasoning, I have to tell you, that rub is just amazing. Look at this, guys. It's just amazing. It tastes so delicious. It's so good, so good. That's such a refreshing one. Just reminds me of the island. I just have to call it Miami because I am dying to go visit. So let's try the peach and mango salsa one with that garlic mayo I made, which is vegan. So here we go. Look at that. Let's take a bite. Look at the sweetness. This one is pure bliss. Sweet, salty, so delicious. This one is just so flavorful. I love all 3 of them. We have sweet, spicy, refreshing, you name it. These plantains were a hit. I'm so happy I did them this way. It's different, out of the box. I think out of the box. So this was yummy. I'm definitely making this for like parties or family gatherings. I'm definitely making these guys because they're so good. And barbecue pit dog, thank you for this. And thank you for this barbecue sauce. And guys, don't forget to check them out. I'll put the link down below. So foodie friends, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video because I love the likes. And also if you make this, please take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.